Nandi Hills is about 60 kilometers from Bangalore after the airport. It is well known for trekking, cycling and paragliding. I've been thinking of going to Nandi Hills for quite some time, and today I decided that I will make a trip. It's in the afternoon, so if I reach on the right time, I probably would get a good sunset. Let me have a look how things go. The road to Nandi is scenic, where as you go closer to the hills, you start seeing the avenues of trees on both sides of the road. You have about 8 hairpin bends to reach to the top. It isn't very challenging and can be done even by the first time drivers. However, you need to keep in mind that it's a two-way road and you could find rash driving two-wheelers or four-wheelers. So that's something to keep in mind. While the scenery is beautiful and you feel the urge to stop and take pics, there is no proper place to park on the way uphill. So stopping here is just inviting trouble. That's the entrance. I guess these are dismantled tree houses which oversee the parking area. My first walk was to the Tipu sunset point. I wanted to understand the layout so that I can come back later at sunset. Hey guys, I've come to Nandi Hills. Today I've come to scout the area. I probably would come sometime later, early in the morning. It's been a couple of years since I've come here. It's around 4 o'clock and sunset is at 6:30. However, when I parked the car, the guys told me that I'll have to leave at around 6 o'clock, so I'm not sure whether I can catch a sunset. Right now, as you can see, it's quite it's not cloudy, but there is not much clarity. There is a haze across the city. Let me see how it goes. So I've come here with my GFX100S and I'm recording currently in the GFX100S. So let me see, I will just walk around and scout the area a little bit more and identify places where I can come and shoot later. That's a lone tree and the plan was to make it black and white with high contrast, with the sky blown out with only the silhouette of the tree. It was quite sunny and I realized later that I should have brought my hat. There's this lone broken bench that I found interesting and worthy of a photograph. The sun was quite harsh with no shadows, so the light wasn't interesting. The only way to make the picture attractive was to convert it into black and white and make it minimalistic. That's the sunset point, and I am hoping the haze would disappear off and I would get some reflections from the water body there. This is the southern part, and the place is fenced to prevent people from falling off the cliff. I was expecting very few people, however, I'm surprised to see the number of tourists. These JPEGs that you see are exported at 50% quality, yet you see the amazing sharpness of the GFX lens and the 100 megapixels of the GFX100S at work. These two gentlemen saw me walking around with my gear and requested a pic. And we continued the shoot to the sunrise viewing point. And seeing this, more people approached me and asked if I could take their pics.
नहीं ये Fujifilm का है.
This gentleman was from Andhra. He gave me his number and told me to meet him if I ever go to his hometown. Now that's the good thing when you actually travel alone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do so. I will publish the other side of Nandi Hills and the sunset pics in the next video, so please watch out.